Okay guys, so welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this diecast miniature model of Tata Harrier. And Harrier is also going to launch today in India on 23rd January 2019. So this is the miniature model. Thanks to Tata that they provide me this miniature to unbox it on my channel. And sadly it is not officially on sale right now, so no one can buy it. And the model is really well detailed from outside, but it don't have any opening, so no interior. So if you are not already, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and follow me on Instagram at miniature_automaker. So let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so hope you have enjoyed the video. Happy Republic Day in advance, and Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.